Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, leather seats, cooled seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof. Come test drive 2017 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, power lift gate, power passenger seat, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.